Part 1 of the speaking is on a general topic like hobbies, sports, in this case, clothes. To get a great band score, you have to show fluency. And for fluency, you need to think of good information. One way to do this is with memory association games. This is when you have a topic like clothes and then you say jacket. From jacket, you think about pants, pants to shoes, shoes to glasses. You can do this with partners on our website by clicking the Student Partner Speaking button. When ready, book a full mock IELTS speaking interview by clicking on the Interview Speaking Practice button. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. May I see your identification? What is your full name? The speaking has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each. For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better, and some questions on a general topic. Where are you from? What is your hobby? Let's talk about clothes. How often do you wear a jacket? Where do you like going shopping for clothes? What do you wear to work? What do you wear if it is hot outside? And what if it's cold outside? Do you have any sports clothing? Has your clothing style changed in the last 10 years, and if yes, how? That is the end of part 1. We will now continue with part 2. Simply put, success on part 2, the cue card, the long part, is about patience, strategy, and clear thinking. This means when you need to talk about a place, like a place you often went to as a child, you understand that you need to include information about the time, the location, the appearance of that location, the attendees, namely the people who go there. In this case, the lifeguards, the swimming instructors, fellow students that swim in classes with you, and families and children who enjoy the pool, as well as the activities that happen there, like swimming lessons or splash and play. And then your experience. By understanding these structures, you can plan in the 1 minute quickly and effectively and really focus on a good answer. You can practice responding to this cue card question. Send us your response in an MP3 format to this email address, also in the video description, and we will give you a band score estimate for free. For this part, I will show you some questions. You will have 1 minute to read these. Think about your answers. You can take notes in this 1 minute time if you wish. You have some note paper there in front of you and your pencil. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Talk about a place you went to often as a child. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking. That is the end of part 2. Your time is up. Please put the note paper to the side, turn it over along with your pencil, and we will now continue with part 3. A vital aspect of part 3 success is to pay attention to the question and use it in your answer. In this case, when asked, what are some facilities built for children to learn and develop? It's important to respond by using the question. Certain establishments that are constructed for children's learning and development are swimming pools, as I had mentioned, as well as playgrounds, video arcades. These help children to not only learn, but also enjoy themselves. Notice how I gave multiple answers because the question is asking for plurals. What are some facilities? Pay attention to these details in order to get those high band scores. Record your answer to this question. What are some facilities built for children to learn and develop? Send us that recording and you can earn yourself a badge. Collect 3 badges and we will award you a 10-minute speaking interview practice with a native English-speaking tutor for free. Simply send the recording with the subject badge to this email address. And we will now continue with part 3. For this part, I will ask you a question related to your response and some questions connected to the topic of part 2. Have you been to this swimming pool recently? Let's talk about places for children. What are some facilities that are built for children to learn and develop? To see this full lesson and for over 100 interview videos for the speaking section, including original practice exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your phone, visit and join our Premium IELTS package at aehelp.com. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Use the code BLAZER9 for an extra 10% discount. Simply click the link in the video description below. We are an IDP affiliate, a British Council partner, an IELTS test registration center, and I'm a certified British Council agent. We help thousands of students every day succeed on their test. Just listen to what this candidate has to say.
Hi, I'm Rahul Naif. I recently got a band 7 in the academic IELTS test. The resources in the AE Help website and the videos were really helpful to me to prepare for the IELTS within a month. Thanks AE Help team.
Join now and begin learning for success. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.